I come over to here and I'm just going to start running some hair off the side. All right. Not going to go too nuts. Just enough. We'll take this and extend this over. That way you can see that hair separate from whatever we're putting there, whether it's a hat or more hair. Over here. Bring it right up into that cut. Over here on the side so it sticks out, we'll take some wood out. And up here along the temple area. Now down here at the bottom, I'm going to turn them over and I'm going to go right off the wood.